God's works are so worthy of trust. God's mercy falls on the just